Welcome to the wonderful world of logo, your initial idea, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Brainstorming, on the other hand, is your playground for ideas. It's about letting your mind wander and connecting dots that seem unrelated at first glance. It's here that the most innovative designs are born, from the amalgamation of diverse thoughts. Now that we have our sketches, it's time to breathe life into them. Now let's delve into the world of typography and discover its impact on logo design. Typography, the art and technique of arranging type, is a crucial element in logo design. It's the voice of your brand, speaking volumes about its personality and values. Selecting the right font is a balancing act, serif or sans serif, bold or thin. Each font carries its own vibe, its own story. Serif fonts with their little feet bring a classic, trustworthy feel, while sans serif fonts are modern, clean, and minimalist. Remember, less is more. Stick to 2 fonts, 3 at most. The key is to create a harmonious blend, not a jarring cacophony of styles. Pairing fonts is a skill, an art. Complementing fonts accentuate each other, creating a cohesive, unified design. Typography rules aren't set in stone, they're more of guidelines. Break them if you must, but do it with purpose. With the right font choice, we can now add some color to our designs. Color is a language that speaks louder than words, especially in logo design. It's the silent communicator that conveys a brand's personality and emotion without saying a word. Each hue carries its own message. Red for passion, blue for trust, green for growth, and so on. This is the psychology of color in logo design, and it's crucial to choose colors that accurately represent your brand. But it's not just about picking one color. It's about creating a harmonious palette that works together to tell a story. Consider color combinations and how they interact. Complementary colors, those opposite on the color wheel, create a vibrant contrast. Analogous colors, those next to each other, provide a harmonious feel. And let's not forget about color values. Lighter and darker shades can add depth and dimension to your logo, creating a dynamic visual experience. With our designs now in full color, it's time to digitize them. In the digital world, vector is king. Let's understand why. Vector graphics are a designer's best friend when it comes to logo design. These are images created through mathematical equations, giving them the superpower of scalability. This means whether you're enlarging your logo to fit on a billboard or shrinking it to fit on a business card, it will retain its crispness and clarity. No pixelation, no blurriness, just perfect resolution every time. Now let's walk through the process. To create a vector logo, we use specialized design software like Adobe Illustrator. Starting with a rough sketch or concept, we'll use various tools and techniques to build our logo, shape by shape, line by line. With a keen eye on symmetry and balance, we'll bring our concept to life in a digital format. And voila, our logo is now a vector, ready to conquer any medium it graces. With our logos now in vector format, it's time to add some finishing touches. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in logo design, that picture is often an icon or symbol. Icons and symbols serve as the visual shorthand of a brand's identity, embodying its core values and message in a simple yet powerful graphic element. In the world of logo design, symbols and icons are like the secret ingredients in a recipe. They add depth, meaning, and a unique flavor that sets the brand apart. From the swoosh of Nike to Apple's Apple, iconic logos are often associated with simple yet impactful symbols. Designing a unique and meaningful icon or symbol may seem daunting, but fear not. It's all about understanding the brand, its values, and its audience. Start with a simple sketch, refine it, and then transform it into a digital form. Remember to keep it simple yet memorable, and consider the principles of balance and symmetry to ensure it looks great from every angle. With icons and symbols in place, our logos are almost ready. The final lap of our journey is here, refining and presenting our logo design. Feedback and revisions play a crucial role in this stage. They help in polishing your design, ensuring it aligns with the brand's essence. So, don't shy away from constructive criticism. Refining a logo design is a meticulous process. It's about fine-tuning the elements, adjusting the color palette, or even rethinking the typography. Remember, less is often more in logo design, so don't hesitate to simplify if it adds clarity. Presenting your logo to clients is the final step. It's not just about showing the logo, it's about telling the story behind it. Explain your design decisions, how the logo reflects the brand's identity, and how it stands out from the competition. Use mock-ups to show the logo in practical contexts, like on a website, business card, or product packaging. Congratulations, you've successfully designed a logo. But before we wind up, let's discuss some technical aspects. In the digital world, formats matter. Let's understand why. When it comes to logo design, the file format can be as important as the design itself. Different file formats serve different purposes, and knowing when and how to use them is integral to maintaining the integrity of your design. Take AI, EPS, and PNG for instance. AI, or Adobe Illustrator artwork, is a proprietary file format developed by Adobe Systems for representing single-page vector-based drawings. It's perfect for logos because it allows for easy editing and scaling without loss of quality. EPS, or Encapsulated PostScript, is a DSC-conforming PostScript document with additional restrictions intended to be usable as a graphics file format. It's great for print materials because it maintains high-quality image resolution. PNG, or Portable Network Graphics, is a raster graphics file format that supports lossless data compression. It's ideal for digital use, especially on the web, due to its support for transparency. Remember, maintaining a logo's integrity isn't just about aesthetics, but also about ensuring it appears correctly across various platforms and mediums. With these technical aspects in mind, you're now ready to take on the world of logo design.